This is our restaurant. You can have a food.
So this is what I'm cooking.
But we don't have a beef broccoli. We have a veggie salad, egg rice, and frozen lemon iced tea. And
Okay, where's the...
food is here. Ta-da! And
Oh yeah.
Can you
I know.
introduce your food?
read them, please.
This is
This is...
Salad that is carrots in it with fish and a beef.
Okay.
And it's chili. This is a potato. Lobster. More
Lobster.
carrot and this tiny carrot. And this is the iced tea. The lemon. And this is
Lemon
the egg
iced tea.
rice.
Wow!
I make the yellow into more so I can make. And this is... Oops. I forgot. I
What's
don't
that?
know. This is... the
Beef
fruits.
broccoli? Is that the beef broccoli?
Yes.